Modern home security means flexibility. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the ULTRALOQ Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt.
Do you hear that? That's the sound of your door automatically unlocking as you return home. Introducing the Bosma Aegis, a new smart home door lock, which locks and unlocks using your phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and automatically locks when the door is closed. In fact, this lock will alert you if your door is left open, doing so without the use of an external sensor. The Bosma Aegis is one simple and versatile piece of hardware. Your physical keys will still work fine, but this lock does a whole lot more. Pair it with the Bosma Sentry Snap-on fingerprint scanner, and you can even unlock your door with the press of a finger, or unlock your door from your phone while you're away. It's easy to share access with your family members and grant temporary access to your friends or guests. And with the activity history, you'll always know who's coming and going. Complete with unbreakable AES 128 encryption, no one gets in your home if you don't want them to be there. Easy to install in a matter of minutes using only a screwdriver. The Bosma Aegis is made specifically for the standard US deadbolt, ideal for renters who may not be able to alter their door's locks. You hear that? That's the sound of peace of mind. Bosma, simply better.
Ready for a smarter, more secure front door? With the Yale Assure Lock connected by August, your phone can now be your key. Available in a number of Yale Assure styles, control and monitor your door from anywhere using the August app on your phone. Securely unlock and lock your door even when you're away from home. There's no need to pull your phone out of your pocket or enter your code. The door automatically unlocks and locks for you. And if you forget your phone or your phone battery dies, unlock using your entry code on the keypad. Lock up by simply tapping the keypad. On your August app, create secure virtual keys for friends, family, or people you trust. Grant access for a few weeks, a few hours, or forever. You decide. Once the set time ends, keys are automatically deleted so they can never be reused. Want to know who's coming and going? Track your door's activity with August 24/7 activity feed so you know when loved ones are home. And with DoorSense, always know your door is both closed and locked for total peace of mind. Lock, unlock, and check lock status just by asking Siri, Alexa, or the Google Assistant. At Yale, we believe you shouldn't sacrifice security for convenience. That's why our locks are tested to exceed industry standards and backed by bank-grade encryption. Installation is easy. The Yale Assure Lock replaces your existing deadbolt in minutes with just a screwdriver. And to connect to your August app, Simply insert the Aegis module, plug in the Aegis Connect, and download the free app. Available on both Android and iOS. The Yale ULTRALOQ. Smarter than ever. Beautiful as always. Never any keys.
S1 Smart Lock has various unlock methods. It is safe and convenient. You can unlock the lock easily with the light touch. Your smartphone is your key. If you don't have a smartphone, enter the password using capacitive touch mode. Then you can safely lock and unlock the door. You can even ask Alexa and Google Assistant to unlock your front door. When you leave, S1 will lock the door automatically. It's like your personal doorman. When the cleaner comes to clean the house, just send him or her a temporary electronic key with time window to access. The app will send you push notifications to tell you when the door opens. You can also access the lock opening records at any time. You can create a secure dynamic key for your friends or even Airbnb guests. When the strangers try to guess the door password, the screen will be disabled due to the wrong password guess. You'll receive an alert reminder through the app as well. There is a physical key for the lock in case you need. Wireless installation, simple and fast. S1 offers 3 different versions for different lock types for different doors worldwide. S1, redefining smart lock. It is safer and more convenient.
In today's world, home security is paramount, and it starts at your front door. Aegis lets you monitor and control your door safely and securely, starting with Aegis Doorbell Cam Pro. Aegis Doorbell Cam lets you see and speak to guests right from your phone.
Ryan!
Max?
Yes, I can see you.
A built-in floodlight and HD color video lets you see your guests day or night.
Hey, it's me.
Sometimes uninvited guests can pay a visit. Anytime motion is detected, a floodlight is triggered and an alert is sent to your phone. And if you miss an alert, don't worry. You can play back the full story later. With Aegis, never sacrifice convenience for security. Aegis Smart Lock lets you and your friends securely lock and unlock the door using the Aegis app. The more physical keys you have, the less secure your house is. Keys can be lost or stolen and then easily copied. Aegis lets you easily create secure temporary keys for your friends, family, or people you trust right on the Aegis app. Grant access for a few weeks, a few hours, or forever. You decide. Once the set time ends, keys are automatically deleted so they can never be reused. Want to know who's coming and going? Activity Tracker lets you know who's coming or going 24/7, so you know when loved ones are home. And with DoorSense, you'll know your door is both closed and locked from anywhere. Never worry if you closed your door again. All Aegis smart locks mount on the inside of your door, so the street view of your door stays the same. Our smart locks use bank-grade encryption for wireless communications, ensuring a secure lock. Make your front door more secure with Aegis. Aegis, the key to your smart home.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.